Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got a pretty special edition here with me. This is the North Arm Knives Skaha 2 in a bright orange. And this is the 420 edition, I call it, because as you can see, this guy is made in, of course, April 2020, but this is the 420 edition because something was going on probably at the factory when they were producing this beauty, because yeah, everything checks out, everything is perfect, but if you check over here, look at this. This is the GPS sign lace in BC edition, or a lace in BC edition, or mace in BC edition. So yeah, I mean, this is amazing. This is going to be something that a collector will will be looking for, because it's I guess like a mistake, a production mistake. It doesn't ruin, of course, like the functionality of the knife in any way. This is still like one of the best action knife for the money, but yeah. GPS sign, Lace in BC edition, Skaha 2, beautiful mistake that is gonna hopefully increase the price for this one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.